Yeah, welcome to this training on Instagram marketing. We're going to look at how to use Instagram for business. First of all, we go to our phone and go to Play Store and search for Instagram. If you don't have it here, you just type it in Instagram. When it pops up, you click on it. It's going to show you install. If you don't have it already on your phone, you click on install, it will install. I already have Instagram among my apps on my phone, so I only click on open to open it up. And I already have an account. I already have an account in Instagram, so I will show you if you don't have an account in Instagram, you're expected to sign up. So the first thing you see there is to sign up or log in. You click on sign up. That's create new account. You put your username. There should be no space. You put your username, which is a name relating to your company or your business, and then you click on next, and thereafter, supposing I'm using a school, you should see next, click on next to proceed. So for you, make sure you meet the requirements, use a name that is unique. Then after you have done that, follow the prompt and create your account and sign up. Once you have finished signing up, you should come to this home page. Click on the lower right corner of your screen, which is your home page, the lower right corner, the icon there, you will see edit profile. If you click on the lower right corner icon, edit profile will show up. Click on it. Now we want to make sure our profile is proper. First of all, put a picture relating to your company. So if your profile picture is not proper, you can change it. Click here to change it. Put a new profile picture, import from Facebook or from your phone, or take a new picture. Then the first line here shows name. That should be the name of your company or your business. The second one is your username, which I've already entered before now. If you have a website and if you want, you can enter it here. Your bio, you should put all the details relating to your business here. The name of your business, your location, what you do, your phone number, your email address. Let it be loaded. My own is not full. My own is quite few. Let yours not look like this. Make sure it's loaded. I'm using this for training purpose. So I proceed. Click on save or the lower icon on the right to save. So once you save, the next thing we're going to be doing now is we're going to go to settings to finish up the settings of our account. Please, to get to settings from your home page of your Instagram account, you see these three lines at the upper right corner. Click on it. Then you see settings under. You click on settings. Now we want to invite people to follow us, because when we have followers, when we send posts, they will see it. So invite as many people as possible. To get followers, you just click on this first line here, follow and invite friends. Click on it. You have 4 means of getting followers: through WhatsApp, email, SMS, or any other app on your phone. So let's just explain with WhatsApp. If you click on invite friends by WhatsApp, which is the first one, what it will basically do is it will make us to be able to invite friends on WhatsApp. It will send to give us an icon. We click here, share with WhatsApp. If you click here, it's going to give you a link. It will give you a link that you can send to all your friends on WhatsApp. And when they click on that link, they'll be able to follow you on Instagram. So the same thing is for email. If you click on invite by email, you'll be able to. It will send a link to everybody on your email, and when they click on it, they'll follow you on Instagram. So that is for following. That's for getting friends. Then the next thing we are going to do is to look at our account proper. Look at the personal information. How did I get here? I clicked on account. I clicked on personal information. Then make sure everything here is filled up properly. I go back, I click on the arrow on top to go back. Now I have the next we're going to do is contact syncing. Contact syncing. Make sure this icon is active. It will synchronize your contact on your phone with the one on Instagram so that you'll be able to see people on your phone that are on Instagram. Then the next thing I will do is to link my account. See this one, link accounts. Click on it. It will link, you should be able to link your accounts on Facebook and Twitter here. If you click on Facebook, you'll be able to, you're supposed to put in the details of your Facebook business page. Please be mindful of it, your Facebook business page, not your Facebook account. The Facebook business page. The same thing is you do it for Twitter. You put the details of your Twitter account, your Twitter business account. When you are done, you click on the arrow back to go back. Then the next thing we are going to do is to make sure our account is on business, is a business account on Instagram. You see here on the screen, switch to personal account. Because I'm already on business account, I can switch back to personal account. But for you, if you're only showing switch to business account, click on it to follow the prompt to switch to business account. When you are done with that, we can now click on the arrow at the top left to go back, and you click on the lower right icon. Then let's look at what the icons you have at the lower right corner of your screen does. What does the lower right icon of your screen, what does it do? The first icon here is the one that looks like a home page. The one that looks like a home page. So to get that one, the one that looks like a house, you click on it. This one will show you. This icon now will take you to the different posts of people in your account. The different posts of people in your account. It's taking a while to load, probably because of my network. Okay, it's coming up. So these are posts from the people in my account. You can see there are different posts. So the other one is the next icon to this after the one that looks like a house, which looks like a search icon. If you click on it, here you'll be able to see the different posts of people that you are following. Whatever they have posted, you see it here. Now the next icon is the one at the center. If you click on it, you should be able to take a picture and send, or take a video. If you click on video, take a video and send, or you click on gallery, be able to take picture from your gallery. Be able to take picture from your gallery and send as a post on Instagram. So this is actually how to create a post. So supposing I want to create a post, now I can decide to use this picture from my phone. I click on next, I click on next at the upper right corner. Then I click on next again. It's processing it. Then I'll be able to write something if I want. Let's say I'm writing something, welcome. Then I can decide to, because my account is linked on Twitter and Facebook, I can make this post to be shared on Facebook and on Twitter. I can share it as well. So after which I'll click on post to be able to send my post. So that is basically. So after which I'll click on share. Just let's give it a little while. So I can click on share now. So this my post is coming up, is finishing up. You can see the post. So this is our first post. Now that we have sent this post, we can promote it by clicking on this promotion icon here, so that more people can see it. Even those who are not following me can see it. Promoting it means paying Instagram so that Instagram will make more people to see my posts. Or I can click on the lower right corner. I will see promotions. I click on promotions. Then here I want to promote a post. Here I choose a post. I click on choose a post. So this is one of the posts I just sent. These are other posts I have. You can choose any one. So let's choose this one. I want to promote this post. Let more than people that are currently seeing this post are only people that are following me. I want other people to see it. I'll pay for it. So I will tell Instagram the location of people that will see it, the kind of interest they should have, and their age and their gender. So I click on the arrow on the upper right corner to continue with the process. Then, so this post, when people see it and they want to maybe reply, send me a message, or they want to come to contact me, how should they contact me? Is it through my profile or through my website? It can only be through one means, or through direct message. So I will choose, let them use direct message. They should send me a message directly. So I click on, I can choose anyone. I can click on the upper right corner again, arrow on the upper right corner. Now we have what we call audience. Audience are there for the post. Do you want Instagram to automatically choose people that will see it? If you want it that way, you leave the selection on automatic. But if you want to choose on your own people that should see it, you click on create your own. Let's name this audience, people that will see it. April, let's name it April 2020. I click on the upper right. Okay, so then I click on their location. On location, here I will choose the location of people that will see it. Let's use Akure. I select it here. Let's choose Lagos as well. So I choose Lagos, Nigeria. So people in Accra and Lagos will see it. Let's add people in New York. So you have New York here popping up as a region. People in New York region, you should see it. New York region. So we have chosen these 3 locations. Now we are done with that. Let's look at the next one is going to be the interest. People that see it, what do they like? What should those people want? What should be their interests? Maybe the kind of food they like. Let's use food and drink. People that like food and drink. Let's use people that are equally single person. So we have seen that the interest of people that should see this post, they should be people that like to eat and drink. They should be people that are single. Then we click on this upper right corner icon to save it. I will click again. We are done with choosing all the type of people that will see our post, the audience. We click on the upper right icon again to save it. So then for age, it's showing us that we need to change. We have not chosen for age. Sorry. So for age, we come back here. Let's make it people that are between 34 and 40. 34 and 40. And then let's make it only female. Then I will save it. So you can see our audience. We have chosen people in Lagos, New York, and Akure. The type of their interest is single, and they should be female between 34 and 40. and we click on the upper right icon again to save it. So it's saving our audience. The name of our audience is April 2020. So now we can click on this upper right icon again to continue. Here we're going to decide the amount of money we're going to spend on this advert. Currently it's showing us that 7,400 people, 7,400 people to 19,000 people will see this advert. And we can choose, the least amount we can choose in Instagram is 398 naira per day. The same applies to Facebook. The least amount at the moment is 398 naira for each day advert. The least, you can increase it. So let's increase it to 500 if we can get it exactly at that. We can leave it at 597. Let's leave it at 597. 597. It's not okay. Then the number of days, let's drop it to 2 days, and then we'll proceed. Now it has dropped the number of people that I see to 1,500 to 3,900 people. Now we'll proceed. Because there's no money in my account, I can't go beyond here. So to add money to your account, you click here, click on payment, and you're able to add money to your account. But the best method of adding money to your account on Instagram is to add it from your business, from your Facebook business page. Any money you have there will reflect on your Instagram, because it's the same company that owns Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So any money you have in your account here will reflect on any money you have in your business account, in your Facebook business page will reflect here. You can use it to make payment on Instagram. It's a better place. It is more easier to add money from there than on Instagram. So if there's money in my account, I can be able to create a promotion. After I have created a promotion, that's the last icon that you see grayed out here, the large blue icon here. Supposing there's money here, it will have popped up, and I'll be able to create this promotion. So after you have created a promotion, it takes about 24 hours for them to review it. If it meets with their policy, they would say okay, they would advertise your post. So that is all for Instagram. I expect your questions, if there are any, or comments. Thank you very much for being part of this training. And I look forward to have more comments or questions from you. Thank you.